One day, Karthik's teacher assigns a group project where each student must contribute to a community service initiative. Initially uninterested, Karthik reluctantly participates, choosing to help clean up a local park with his group. As they work together, he starts to notice the impact their efforts have on the environment and the community. During the cleanup, Karthik meets an elderly man who frequently visits the park but struggles to pick up litter due to mobility issues. Seeing the man's determination despite his limitations inspires Karthik. He realizes that even small actions can make a big difference in someone's life. After the project, Karthik feels a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment he hadn't experienced before. He begins to reflect on his attitude towards school and life in general. Witnessing the positive impact of his actions on both the environment and the elderly man, Karthik starts to understand the value of putting effort into helping others. Motivated by this newfound sense of purpose, Karthik decides to change his habits. He starts dedicating more time studying at home, knowing that by improving himself, he can make an even greater impact on the world around him. Over time, Karthik becomes known not only for his academic achievements but also for his willingness to lend a hand to those in need. Through helping others, he discovers the true meaning of success and happiness in life. What do you think is the moral of this story? It's Karthik's transformation, finding purpose through service. Thanks for watching. Kindly do subscribe and share this video so that it may reach many more who are aspiring to transform their lives.